So unless you've been living under a rock recently, I'm sure you can see the countless amounts of bullshit circulating on the internet about AI this, AI is going to take your job that, AI is going to steal your children and fornicate with your wife, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. I'm only half kidding, but really though, AI can help you if you know how to use it the right way, and that includes prop firm challenges. It includes trading. So can it help? Yes, but maybe not how you actually think it can help. And if you failed before, it might help explain why anyways. But if we haven't met yet, my name is Sam, and I trade. I coach traders. I've passed a lot of challenges, actually. I passed my first one in 2 weeks with 100% win rate. And lately, a lot of people are asking in my newsletter, can AI help me get funded? Can I use AI? Can I automate tradings? The question itself tells me a lot, and there are an overwhelming amount of people asking me this, okay? So today I'm going to show you where AI can help, maybe, where it actually hurts you, and what really makes traders fail, whether you use AI or not. It might save your next attempt, save you money in the process, so you're welcome. So why I think a lot of people are asking me this, okay? So you want AI to help you remove uncertainty, which is inherent in the human genome, okay? You want more clear entries, smarter signals, less hesitation, fewer losses. Basically, you want certainty. You want as close as a guarantee that you can get, okay? That's normal. That's perfectly normal, okay? I recognize a lot of fucking patterns with you guys that have been asking me for help, and believe it or not, that's actually a good thing because I can help more of you by solving fewer problems. You've failed maybe 2 or 3 challenges, same daily loss hit, same emotional spiral every single time. Is there something that you're missing? Were you blind to something that was totally obvious? Maybe. It's not stupid to ask, though. It's human. But the uncomfortable truth about it, though, is that AI itself is not going to fix you if you're a weak trader, okay? AI helps expose structure problems. If you need help identifying that problem, check out the comment section, and I got my free newsletter to join. I got AI prompts in there that'll help you become a better trader, track your trades, and a handful of other shit too. One email link, you got nothing else to lose, okay? But AI, it helps expose certain like structural problems that you have, okay? So you don't have a predefined edge. You don't have a fixed risk model. You don't have any written rules. AI can't invent discipline for you. It's just going to mirror your inputs. Whatever, if you put shit in there, it's going to shit something out, maybe slightly more organized version of the pile of shit that you gave it originally, okay? I had a trader that sent me something like, AI gave me 3 setups to do. And he took all 3 of them. And 2 of them were off his model, and they were not decent trades at all. And he used this to pass a prop firm challenge, so he didn't even know what he was doing before he even got in. AI is not failing you. You failed your framework. Technology itself rarely fixes behavior. It can make life somewhat easier for us. I mean, we're using technology to watch this right now, right? So if your system is too vague, AI makes it confidently vague, okay? So where can AI potentially help you make money? All right, this is the fucking important part, I guess. So AI itself is a tool that you can use to review, not an execution tool, okay? Sounds boring, but boring is good, especially in passing prop firm challenges. This shit is not supposed to be fun, and I'm going to say this every single video if I have to, okay? So the first step should be maybe refine your model, okay? Stress test this setup. Where are weak assumptions in this model? Okay, analyze your journal, paste 20 of your trades that you have, and ask for a pattern breakdown. And then try to mod it yourself, like emotionally, okay? Describe losing streak behavior. Are you revenge trading? Did you have a bad day? Did your girlfriend or wife argue with you? Is your dog barking in the fucking background, okay? Those are very easily fixable things. I don't know about the wife part, and I'm sorry if you guys actually are married, because this is going to get a little bit more complicated if you are, okay? But I don't have a fix for that, but I can potentially help you fix your trading. What happens with the 1% risk? How does drawdown compound, okay? I had a trader that was hitting a daily loss, like back to back, and he thought that was bad luck, okay? And then he still followed his structure and his routine, and he got the last couple of trades, and he passed his challenge like that. But that's also what happens when you have these crazy 1-to-6, 1-to-10 risk-reward ratio setups. Most prop firm challenges don't want you to be doing shit like that, by the way. So I I would say it's not good for you. It's not good for prop firm challenges. Don't be doing that shit. But if it works for you, go for it. But AI can help you see this pattern. Reduce your size after your first loss, okay? The next challenge, you can pass phase 1, no problem. That's money right there, okay? Comment money down below if this is making sense to you. I read every single one of your guys' comments, by the way, and most of them are really positive, and I truly fucking appreciate that a lot. But what I'd appreciate a lot more is if I can actually help you guys become better traders and to get funded, okay? So everything that I've described so far in this video, I don't think that it's actually going to work if you have this. And you need to have a baseline level of discipline. So if you hijacked your dopamine receptors from doom scrolling TikTok and girls shaking their booty on the internet, you're already setting yourself up for failure. But, you know, pile other bad habits on top of that, smoking and a lack of sleep and whatnot, you're screwing yourself over, okay? But can you yourself, do you know yourself? Can you actually stop after a max loss without negotiation? Can you sit at your computer, or if you trade on your phone for some reason, if you do and it works, then good for you, but can you come to the market and look at it and just walk away if there's not a setup in play? I've done that like twice this week. It is challenging, and it's challenging. You're challenging yourself every single time you do it, and the more that you do it, the more refined of muscle it becomes. Your discipline muscle becomes more developed, okay? Can you ignore random AI signals? If you're using these things, that's part of where you're screwing yourself up. But that is the minimum level. This is the minimum level, guys. This is all it really takes, okay? Prop firms are going to test your stability, and AI is going to help sharpen your structure. It's not going to build it, though, okay? So if you failed before, it's not a lack of IQ, so give yourself a little pat on the head, okay? It's a lack of consistency, which arguably is worse. No offense, but it's true. But good thing is, it's trainable. So if you're serious about passing next time, okay, first of all, hit like, and go ahead and check out the newsletter, guys. It's free, and I send out 1 email a week. I don't like getting spam, so I'm not going to spam you either. But there's training in there and insights and real consistency for prop firms, and I routinely update it with the best possible prop firms in the industry right now. And I don't recommend anything that I'm not using. So if you guys want to start seeing some of my payouts, I sent that in there too, okay? But AI, it can help you pass, technically, but only if you yourself are actually ready. It's not going to replace your discipline. It's not going to override your emotion or make your marriage better. I should probably put jokes aside here, but it's going to amplify what's already there. So build yourself into a proper trader first, and then use the tools afterwards. That's how you're going to get funded, and that's how you're going to make money in there. And that's what I'm here to help you out with and stay funded, okay? See you guys in the newsletter. Later.